I want to start putting it back together. Have a lot of parts in. Let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop in these NGK Lazers. What I'm doing is just feeding the plug in real carefully, and then I will go in with the ratchet because you need a couple extensions to get in there and tighten it up. Just like that, the spark plugs are in. Next, we're gonna go ahead and do all brand new spark plug wires. No metal shavings, I'm happy about that. I just went ahead and went with a Honda oil filter, OEM, with Honda full synthetic oil. Let's take off this WIX oil filter. Yeah. All right, we're gonna do a real quick brake job using the EBC brakes, centered brakes. I think I'm saying it right. Undo the brake fluid reservoir, kind of like a car. After you take these two bolts off and remove the caliper, there go your brake pads there. There's two more bolts that you have to remove right there. Looks like it's going to be a 5mm. Once you take those off, your brake calipers release and they're able to come out. Take those out there, and then your brakes are able to come on out. What you want to do is you want to retain these little plastic shims. It's kind of like a car. I don't think the new ones come with it, but we'll see. Just gonna use a vice grip and just push them in. Looks like it's working pretty good. And there it is. Go ahead and hit it up with a quick cleanup. There's the metal shim. Brakes go like that. And then you're gonna get your 5mm. Once you feel like you're nice and secure and everything's good and clean and you're satisfied, go ahead and pop that caliper back on. Be careful not to scratch your paint on your wheels. And that concludes your front brake job. And check it out, these are the old brakes. Nice and thin. After pushing the calipers back in, brake fluid came back up to a respectable level. We're all cleaned up on both sides.